And yeah, I would like to show with you guys a video about Pen Borneo Highway in Kuching, Sarawak. Enjoy! Hi, my name is Wan Muhammad, and I would like to talk about definition of road and highway construction. Basically, it is the construction of a new roadway or conversion of an existing unpaved road to a paved road. It is a work performed in relation to construction, maintenance, or repair of a road or highway.
Hello, my name is Grace MIKAWELL ANAK Michael, and I'll be talking about a little background information about Sarawak Pen Borneo Highway. The Pen Borneo Highway was officially launched by the Prime Minister of Malaysia in Bintulu on 31st March 2015. Construction works along a 43-km stretch from the Nyabau to Bakun Junction began soon after. This marked the kick-off project for the Pen Borneo Highway, beginning with the highway's development in Sarawak. Lebuh Raya Borneo Utara Sendirian Berhad LBU is a project delivery partner PDP for the Pen Borneo Highway in the state of Sarawak. A homegrown Sarawak company based in Kuching, Lebuh Raya Borneo Utara consists of a team of qualified Bumiputra personnel with construction, project development and management experience. Lebuh Raya Borneo Utara is supported by Board of Directors with highway construction specialist expertise crucial for the delivery of the highway according to time and budget specification. As the project delivery partner, Lebuh Raya Borneo Utara made a commitment to the government to involve local talents, contractors, companies and resources towards building up the local expertise in highway construction. The Pen Borneo Highway is an alternative highway alongside Borneo Road between the states of Sarawak, Sabah, including Brunei. Was initiated throughout the Economic Transformation Program to transform Malaysia into a high-income nation. The project started from Samatan, Sarawak to Tawau, Sabah. The connectivity will allow businesses to be more dynamic and give entrance to a broader marketplace. The community will benefit from the toll-free road crossing to 4 lanes compared to existing 2 lanes, and shorter journey time across Sarawak with 4 lanes facilitate safe overtaking of slower vehicles with 25 new interchanges. The highway will be an economic multiplier directly or indirectly by better mobility, free up other areas through access, increase the construction industry, job opportunities, tourism industry, and supporting sectors. Next, we'll be showing you the video of showing the route of the Pen Borneo Highway starting from Samatan, Sarawak to Tawau, Sabah. Enjoy! So, next, I'll be talking about the process in road construction. Here, there will be 8 processes. Number 1, site survey. A site survey where a land survey can assist in the planning of a roadway design that avoids landscape elements that could pose a construction challenge, such as regions where land suddenly rises or falls. Second, site clearing. In site clearing, the procedure for removing plants and topsoil from a construction site. Third, earthwork and drainage. A drain that is designed together and remove both surface and subsurface water. Fourth, subgrade layer. To make a stable subbase, the subgrade material must be clean and clear of organic matter as well as able to be compacted with a roller. Fifth, subbase layer. It is a granular material layer placed atop the subgrade, usually natural gravel. It is rarely available on a low cost. 6. Road base layer. Because the base course is so close to the pavement surface, it is subjected to a lot of pressure. A base course material must be of the highest quality possible, and its construction must be precise. 7. Surface layer. The top layers of pavement that come into close contact with the vehicle's wheel, usually made of binder ingredients. 8. Lastly, installation of road furnitures. It is to travel safely on road and thoroughfares. Road furniture pieces give driver the essential warning, rules, distance, and directional information.
Hi, my name is NICOLE HARTMAN and I will be presenting the types of road construction materials. Pen Borneo uses the flexible pavement. The surface cost of the flexible pavement is made up of bituminous material with underlying base and sub-base causes. Asphalt is a bituminous material with a viscous character that allows for extensive plastic deformation. Although some full depth asphalt surfaces are placed directly on a subgrade, but most asphalt surfaces have a gravel basis. The name flexible pavement comes from the fact that the pavement surface reflects the entire deflection of all succeeding layers caused by the traffic load. The load distributing features of a layered systems are used to build the flexible pavement. It uses a number of layers to transmit load to the subgrade. The load is then distributed over a smaller area of the subgrade underneath the flexible pavement. Flexible pavements have a low initial installation cost, which is why they are more widely seen around the world. Flexible pavement has the advantage of being able to be open for traffic within 24 hours of completion. Flexible pavement is also easier to repair and maintain.
Hi, I'm back. So here I would like to talk about components of flexible pavement, which is compacted subgrade, sub-base course, base course, binder course, and surface course. For the compacted subgrade, it is natural soil layer compacted to the proper depth, that usually 150 to 300 mm, to receive loads from the top layers. It is to eventually sustain the total load of the pavement, including the traffic load that it is transferred through it. The second one is sub-base course. Granular aggregates are used to construct sub-base course to improve the sub-bearing grade's capacity and offer additional load distribution assistance to the base and surface course. The third one is base course. It is made from hard, long-lasting aggregates that can be stabilized, granular, or both. It is to serve as a road pavement foundation and to safely transfer traffic loads to the sub-base and subgrade. Next is binder course. It is aggregates and bitumen were used. However, the materials were of lower grade than those used for the surface course. Binder course job is to transfer loads from the surface to the base course. So, for the last component is surface course. Surface course construction should use high quality aggregates and high density bitumen or asphalt. The purpose of the surface course is to create a skid-resistant, frictional, and drainage surface for the pavement.
Hi, it's me again, Grace. Here, I'll be talking about the challenges of road construction. Here, there's three: construction, culture, and road maintenance. So under construction, there'll be live road. Live road, as in the construction, is an ongoing project besides the existing road, and is a live road as people are still using the road back and forth daily. Next, multiple locations within a stretch. As this project is expected to span a total of 1,060 km, so it was divided in multiple locations within a stretch, which equals to 12 sections where all ends will be connected once the project is done. Second, culture. Changing habits of road user to adhere to traffic directions. Road users need to be aware and change their normal routes to a new traffic directions for few sections of the road that will be constructed. Secondly, traffic management items will be vandalized or stolen. There is a possibility that the tools or equipment and road furniture could be vandalized or stolen by public. Lastly, road maintenance. Worsen existing road. By mean, this would be mainly focusing on the existing road as its conditions could be worsened with the heavy vehicles and works that is done nearby, and this could cause the road to break down, and there will be possibility of collapse.
Hello, my name is NICOLE, and I will be talking about safety and help for road construction. The first one will be road safety management. It is usually planned at each phase of the road life cycle, where it can be viewed as a procedure that ends with a managed stage. Road safety supervision takes a position in a returning phase repetition, and the organizing process ends one management sequence only to commence another. The growth of institutional road safety management and the engagement of a government organization to guide the national road safety actions are two other significant measures suggested by the World Health Organization (WHO). It shall be the responsibility of the contractors to make sure that their workers and all the subcontractors are adequately trained and proficient to execute the requirements of the safety management based on the contract requirements. Before the contractor set up site work activities, the contractor will organize operation safety training programs, which are essential to prepare all persons performing work on site and have to adopt a collective commitment to employee and classification safety within the organization. Road Safety Audit (RSA), a formal safety performance examination of a road or traffic project by an independent audit team. It qualitatively estimates and reports on potential road safety issues and identifies opportunities for improvements in safety for all road users. The third one would be Road Safety Inspection (RSI), a systematic on-site review conducted by road safety experts of an existing road or section of road to identify hazardous conditions, faults, and deficiencies that may lead to serious accidents. Third one will be Basic Principle of Safety Management. Basic Principle number 1 is safety is a top priority. Number 2, elimination of causes D. Number 3, thorough precautions. Number 4, thorough compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Number 5, thorough prevention of public accidents. Number 6, thorough implementation of PDCA cycle for safety management. Number 7, thorough sharing of information. And the last one, principle number 8, thorough participation of all project stakeholders. While construction, they have to wear PPE, for example, hard hats, safety glasses, gloves, safety toed shoes.
So, next is parties involved throughout the construction project in Pen Borneo Highway. The first one is resident engineer team. Number 2, work package contractors. Number 3, authority and government agency such as DOSH, NREB, JKR, JPJ, police and health department. Number 4, project delivery partner. Number 5, local authorities. For example, Majlis Daerah and Majlis Perbandaran. Number 6 is local leaders such as Tuai Rumah, and penghulu. Number 7, workers such as operator, lorry driver, and general workers. And last but not least is public. For example, road user or student.
Hi, it's Grace again. So here, I'll be talking about the construction term progress of the Pen-Borneo Highway. While works package 01 from Teluk Melano to Sematan is already completed early the year 2019, works are now focused on the remaining 10 works packages from Sematan to Pujut Link Road in Miri. According to the news bulletin TV3 on March 20, 2021, it was said that the project Sarawak Pen-Borneo Highway is now have reached 60% completion. Even though the project has been delayed by about 1.5 years from the original schedule, it is still on track. The Sarawak Pen-Borneo Highway project is expected to be completed in the year 2023 at an expected cost of 16 billion ringgit Malaysia. The completion of the Pen-Borneo Highway project in Sarawak have reached 60%, while in Sabah 45%.
The original completion date is on 30th June 2021 under the project delivery partner PDP. Completion date for Pen-Borneo Highway is extended due to project delivery partner PDP termination. The termination of the project delivery partner PDP for the Pen-Borneo Highway under the previous Pakatan Harapan administration has not only delayed the project in Sabah and Sarawak, but also resulted in unemployment. The new completion date for the Pen-Borneo Highway has been extended to 2022 for the stretch in Sarawak and 2023 for Sabah due to the termination of the PDP. Works Minister Barubian today announced that the completion date of Sarawak portion of the Pen-Borneo Highway BPH has now been fixed for June 2022, about a year after the project's original target.
Next is benefit. The Pen-Borneo Highway is Malaysia's biggest road project, spanning more than 2,000 kilometers. When complete, it will connect Sarawak and Sabah via the Sultanate of Brunei. Construction of the 1,090 kilometer portion in Sarawak is divided into a dozen packages. However, for the cost or budget, if what was being said by Datuk Fadilah was that the agreed ceiling cost was 16 billion ringgit Malaysia at the time, and when the project is complete, the cost could still be further reduced by 1 billion or 2 billion ringgit Malaysia. The Ministry of Finance, MOF, has rebutted claims that the total cost of the Sarawak portion of the Pen-Borneo Highway project was 16.5 billion ringgit Malaysia instead of 21.9 billion ringgit Malaysia, as stated by the ministry. Finance Minister Dato Lim Guan Eng had announced that the government has saved 3.1 billion ringgit Malaysia, or 14% of the project's total cost, following a new funding agreement which has brought down the price tag to 18.8 billion ringgit Malaysia from 21.9 billion ringgit Malaysia.